That's pretty good, man. C-pillar not even walled off either?
Yeah, well, it's attached to the vehicle.
Oh, it is? So it isn't moving?
No, I got double plates in the floor, triple plates on the front baffle.
Yes, sir.
Double plates, and it's attached to the roof.
Okay.
Phoned in and PL'd in.
Wow. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. I'm coming in.
What's up, buddy?
How you doing, man?
Pretty good.
Oh, y'all got a C-pillar. Okay.
We chilling back here, man.
Could you tell me your name? What's in here?
Jessica Lanez. We got 6 XV212 Sundowns. I got 2 Cat 45, 30,000, 30 amp hour, excuse me.
I'm good.
And that's pretty much it. We got a big alternator on here.
Yes, sir. Are you still working on sealing it off?
Oh yeah. We're still tuning the port. We finished this thing last night. We still haven't got our highs figured out yet or nothing, but we figured we just.
But you got it playing.
Yeah,
awesome.
Got it playing.
Awesome, man. Sweet. How's your electrical like for your battery, alternator, amps?
It stays when it's not being beat to death or hot. It usually stays around 15.3.
Okay.
So it stays pretty hot, but a lot of the time when it's hot like this, you got to keep your foot on the gas.
Yep. All right. Not even walled off either?
Yeah, well, it's attached to the vehicle.
Oh, it is? So it isn't moving?
No, I got double plates in the floor, triple plates on the front baffle.
Yes, sir.
Double plates, and it's attached to the roof.
Okay.
Phoned in and PL'd in.
Wow.
It's not a full wall, but
yeah.
It's as close as I wanted to get. Still got kids, got to ride around.
That's right, and you got your back seats. Yeah,
Yep.
That's awesome. Hey, thank you for putting it down, man. Got some subflex. Is everybody can see the back?
Yeah.
The alt amp. Is there a way you can put the seats down for a picture too? I would appreciate it. That's okay. Nice. And these are, what are you wired to?
They're wired at 1.33, I believe.
Okay. So you got them gain matched?
Yeah, gain matched, yeah. 2 bass knobs for now. Just like I say, we literally built this thing in 4 days.
Did it slide in or did you build it in there?
We built it into the truck, it's permanent. Yeah. Like I say, we built this thing in about 4 days. We slid a box out and just tore the interior out and started building.
Nice. Well, y'all did a good job all the way out as far as you could go too. Look, y'all did a good job. Thank you very much. Wow. Be sure to hit the like button. What's going on, everybody? This is JACOBVILE. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button as I already mentioned. He did a good job showcasing at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Really impressive to see how loud it got without even sealing off his back panels onto the C-pillar yet. So he's still got some work improvement, but he made it to the show to show out. I like the whole layout of the box. If you haven't already, comment as well what you think about his system and how you like it. So the way the box is with the top of the port, with all that pressure to flow without having to worry about blocking the seats, and it doesn't hit the seats the way they actually lay out the box. So you can tell he really did an efficient box layout. And how the amplifiers are mounted on the box, probably triple layer baffle in the back, so there's minimal vibration. That's pretty much all the places you are able to mount the amplifier. And if you look closely, they really did build into the vehicle to optimize space. And only 30 amp hours of lithium, probably a little bit on the low end. I did see the voltage didn't drop bad. You're going to see during the demo as well. Didn't find out what size alternator he has. I'm pretty sure it's a high output alternator. Total of 9,000 watts on 6 12-inch subs and a C-pillar subwoofer wall bass cymbal we're getting to now. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos coming your way, and enjoy. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. pretty good, man. C-pillar not even walled off either?
Yeah, well, it's attached to the vehicle.
Oh, it is, so it isn't moving?
No, I got double plates in the floor, triple plates on the front baffle.
Yes, sir.
Double plates, and it's attached to the roof.
Okay.
Phoned in and PL'd in.
Wow.
It's not a full wall, but
yeah.
it's as close as I wanted to get. Still got kids, got to ride around.
That's right, and you got your back seats. Yeah,
Yep.
That's awesome. Hey, thank you for putting it down, man. Got some subflex. Be sure to hit the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I got more videos to come, so I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.